Hi guys, welcome back to my mom's channel. Today we are going to make this amazing chocolate Doreamon cake. The inside is made of chocolate and the outside is Doreamon themed. First take a 10-inch cake mold and grease it with oil and butter paper. We took the buttered paper and cut it into a circle piece, and then we're gonna put oil on top of it. Keep it aside and let's start the process of making a cake batter. Now take a large bowl, then take 8 large eggs which has a room temperature, and after separate the egg yolk. Now add 1 cup of sugar. Beat it for 4 to 5 minutes until it has a foamy consistency on low speed. After 4 to 5 minutes, it should have a perfect consistency like that. Now add 2 tablespoons of oil plus 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. Beat it for 10 seconds. Add the egg yolk. Again beat it for 10 to 15 seconds on low speed. Now add 1 cup of vanilla premix. Sieve 2-3 times and add gradually. Again add 3/4 cup of premix. The batter which we made, it is also used for vanilla cake, and my mother forgot to make the chocolate cake, so you can see afterwards how my mother created a chocolate batter. My mother was showing her hand that she created a vanilla cake instead of a chocolate. Then you can see how she created chocolate cake. Add 1/3 cup of cocoa powder and sieve it. Mix gently with 200 ml milk which has a room temperature. The video which we added milk was actually skipped, so we are sorry. The cake batter is ready. Now pour the batter in the greased mold. Tap it 2-3 times. Bake it for preheated oven at 140 degrees in 40 minutes. After 45 minutes, insert a toothpick inside the cake. If the peak comes clean, it means the cake is baked well. Then take it out from the hot OTG and then wait for it to cool down. After cooling, demold the cake and cut it into slices. The cake has a tall height, so my mother cut it the tall height and made the other pieces equal. Cut it into 3 equal pieces. Now let's start cake icing. Now let's add some cream on the bottom so that the cake doesn't fall off. Now first add a slice of cake, then add sugar syrup on top of it. Don't put too much or the cake will be broken inside if you cut it. Now let's add some whipped frosting. After adding the whipped frosting, add some choco chips. If you don't have choco chips, you don't need to add them. Now do the same process for the other slices. Now let's start crumb coating it. And refrigerate it for 2 hours. After 2 hours, let's start icing and decoration now. It is a Doreamon theme, and of course we are going to do blue color. Now make it smooth with a palette knife and scraper. After decoration, icing refrigerated for 4 to 5 hours. After 5 hours, let's now set up the sticker which is edible. And now it is ready for delivery. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.